Your mind is a prison.
Advertising has us chasing cars and clothes, working jobs we hate so we can buy shit we don't need.
And the worst part is, you built it. But if you built it, you can break out of it. And today, I'm going to show you how.
Self-hypnosis is ultra powerful. Every word that comes out of your mouth is self-hypnosis. Life is hypnosis. It's all hypnosis. Nearly every word that comes out of my mouth is self-hypnosis. You have to say these things and you have to truly believe them.
So every night there's a period just after you fall asleep where you are capable of doing self-hypnosis.
They are hijacking your senses and you don't even fucking know it. And there's only a few of us that are trying to fight back. And the way you can be helpful and fight back is by becoming the best version of yourself. Now, self-hypnosis is the key. You need to get your mind right. So keep in mind right now that the clock is ticking. What the fuck are you gonna do? You're gonna wait around and watch other people achieve. You're gonna keep scrolling online and look at Tyson getting better, look at Tate getting better, and just watch the world go by as you do the same mundane shit. What's it gonna be? A life of regret or a life of growth and challenge, but of pride? Now is the time. This is your most energetic time that you have. Lock in now. Don't be filled with regret. Don't let yourself down.
This isn't for everyone. It's for those who are ready to reclaim their mind and rewrite reality from the inside out. The inner architect has begun. Your initiation starts now. Tap the link and step through the door.